Our undergraduate Financial Economics degree, taught at our Marylebone campus, will give you a solid understanding of economic theory and how it's applied in the financial world. You'll build advanced analytical and decision-making skills while developing expertise in data handling, quantitative analysis, and forecasting. In our state-of-the-art financial market suites, you'll gain practical experience using Bloomberg to analyze live market data and produce forecasts. You'll also strengthen your skills with other industry standard tools including Excel, EVIEWS, and SPSS to interpret data, build models, and manage risk. Between your second and third year, you can choose to take a one-year placement or study abroad to gain valuable international experience. This degree will prepare you for roles such as investment analyst, risk analyst, financial advisor, economist, and graduate schemes in the banking sector. Previously, Amplify Trading ran a simulation where students applied knowledge and skill to practice in the financial industry. Graduates of this course have gone on to work for leading organizations including Goldman Sachs, Boxington Corporate Finance, and the Government Economic Service.